Hi everybody, I'm Matthew Clark. Thank you for liking, commenting, watching, and subscribing. And if you like the video, please introduce yourself in the comments below. Today I'm going to show you how to resize photos using the Microsoft Outlook application. Now, what I typically do is store some of my photos into a Google Drive to save space on my phone. And then once in a while, when the storage starts building up too high, I will actually export them and resize them using Microsoft Outlook and then re-import them back into Google Drive. This will help save space, and it will also go a little bit easier when you're trying to use those photos in the upload for uploading in the future. So first, very simple, I'll just show you how to resize photographs, photo files, JPEGs or PNGs using the Outlook application on your desktop. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to your Google Drive. This is where I store a lot of my photos. And you'll see, you can look at the sizes on the right-hand side. Select the files that you would like to make smaller. Once you selected the files, you're going to right-click. You're going to find where the test folder is, or the folder you're saving them. For this example, I'm using just a test folder. So this is where you're going to download the files. You'll download them, and they will go into the area selected. You will open up the files. They will, if you export multiple files at once, it will automatically put them in a zip folder. So you just want to go into the zip folder and extract those. Just open them up, copy and paste, and then you'll paste them back into the folder that you like. Once the files are selected into the folder that you would like and you pasted them in there, you want to highlight the files that you would like to minimize. In this case, I'm going to use the files that I just saved. You're going to select them all using Control and the left click, and then you're going to right-click on all of the files and click on Send To. Then you will see a number of options on the right-hand side. Here you will select Mail Recipient. By doing this, it will open up the Outlook application or your mail application on your computer. Once you do that, it will allow for a number of sizes for you to automatically resize them as. In this case, I am choosing medium, as it serves purposes for what you would be using them for, and it's a manageable size on your disk space. After you select the size that you would like to resize your files to, click on Attach. This will automatically put the files as an attachment in an email, and they're already resized to the medium file space that you designated. Once they are in there, you will simply click on each file and Save As. You are going to overwrite the files that were already large in your test folder, and they will actually resize over them. So you will find the folder in which you have your files, and you will hit OK and save them in there. This will automatically replace the files in there with the smaller file size. Once they are in there, you can see that the size is shrunk. You will take the files and you will re-upload them back to your Google Drive. By embedding them in there, dropping them in there, or importing them in there, they will replace them. What I like to do is delete the files that I've already exported and then drop them in. If you haven't done that, you'll just see an option to replace existing items. And once they're in there, voila, you will increase your disk space and you will decrease the size of the files, and it will allow more space for saving photos. And you can use your photos accordingly as you would like to do. And that should pretty much do it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if there's any questions that you have that I haven't answered or any comments you'd like to make, you know where to do it below. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.